What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Chad, I'm your tall Tailor, and in this video, sort of like a part 2 of my quarantine creations, I'll be showing you what I've been making in the past couple weeks, seeing as quarantine's pretty much over now, so yeah. But first, I just want to give a big thank you to all of you guys. We just hit 1,700 subscribers. Honestly, I couldn't be happier. I've been getting a lot of positive feedback, especially on Instagram. You guys have been sending me a lot of DMs, and yeah, it just makes me feel really nice that you guys like my content. I'm honestly gonna try and make a lot better content. I've been looking at all the past videos I made. They're kind of like, they're not bad, but they're kind of like, you know what I mean, could use some improvement. I finally bought a mic and a new camera, so step by step I'm gonna be getting a little bit better. But thank you guys for staying with me on this process and seeing all the stuff I saw. Speaking of positive feedback, I want to give a shout out to one of you guys over on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, like, change your life, at the tall Tailor. Link in the description. This one goes out to @psych_01 over on Instagram. He just basically said that he saw the video that me and my friend Jerry made over on his channel and just really liked it. Sort of inspired him to like get into sewing and stuff. That made me feel really nice. He showed me a video of the bag that he made. I was supposed to like right here. Yeah, so as his first sewing project, that was pretty cool. So shout out to you, Psych_01, man. Good job, dude. All right, so what have I been up to? Over the past couple weeks, I've been making a lot of projects. Honestly, I haven't really been filming them all too much. That's because most of the time, whenever I'm sewing something, I just don't think to, yo, like, let me film this. It's more of, let me get this done, let me focus on this. So I don't have a lot of footage, but I'll show you guys the finished products instead. This first item I want to show you guys is actually the only item I still have with me right now. The other items, I already gave them out, so they're just gonna be shown in pictures. We have this Patchwork Messenger Bag. Really nice and simple messenger bag. I really like how the patches look on it. Let me see if I can show you guys what it looks like. 2 zippers on one side and a snap closure pocket on the other side. It also has these really large sort of like tote bag straps and the crossbody strap as well too. It's made of like a bunch of denim, light wash denim, dark denim, and black. On the inside we have one big compartment. There's like a flannel in here right now, and we have a smaller bag for like a wallet or like your phone or something. So that's this bag. I'll put some other pictures of it on Body so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, next up we have a cargo skirt I made for my friend Amy. I'll show some pictures of it right here. Yeah, this one was pretty cool. It's made of a water repellent canvas and just has 2 cargo pockets on the front, zipper, buttons, waistband, and a cool like utility belt as well. This one was really fun to make because the pockets were in a different shape. They're usually, like, the pockets I make are kind of curved. These ones were at like almost a 90-degree angle. So I don't know, that was a little bit different. So I thought that was kind of cool. Last but not least, we have these 2 pairs of pants. One was a black pair of cargo pants and the other was a white pair of like utility panel type pants. I'll show some pictures. They were made out of this type of denim. It was like strong, but also really soft. Really great process overall. Yeah, so the past couple weeks have been pretty eventful, pretty filled with sewing projects. I also made this jacket. These pants too. I'm not gonna show you guys these, but yeah, I made those. Also made a couple of hoodies too. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you again for 1,700 subscribers. I'm gonna try and make better videos, probably a little bit more informative videos, and actually try and film the stuff I make this time. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Well, yeah, put comments down below of things you want me to make in the future. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram @the tall Tailor. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.